I'm an angel, tell me what you mean by that. I take it all and I will never give it back. I don't feel sorry every time I see you cry. Every time you start, I'm waiting for your tears to dry. I don't really care and I never will. That's the way I am, such a bitter pill. I don't really care how my silence kills. That's the way I am. No, I wasn't born without a heart. I wasn't always like this. No, watched you break me. No, now you blame me. No, I wasn't born with all these scars, and that's what made me like this. No, can you blame me? No. I'm a nightmare, I know what you mean by that. I can't wake up from all these scary dreams I have. I don't really care and I never will. That's the way I am, such a bitter pill. I don't really care how my silence kills. That's the way I am. No, I wasn't born without a heart.
Miserable, so miserable. Got all the frown lines to prove it. From living in a bubble built on the charade that you're perfect. Sitting cold on your righteous throne, the one that you self-appointed. On your own in an empty cold, but you think that everyone joined it. And if I dare to criticize, the waterworks will burn your eyes, and out your ears the seam will glow. So I keep taking the high road. I bite my tongue and roll my eyes. I laugh alone inside at the way you get so high on mountains made of lies. When the words come up my throat, I learn to choke and swallow my pride. Say you're right all along, or you're gonna go off like a time bomb. Raining down, pointing out flaws in the bodies around you. I interrupt to make a joke and instantly take back the words that I spoke. You're bright